Good morning, my friend. This is Adi again. Today, I want to show you a new video. This one's on replace the timing bell. The most important that replace the timing bell is show you where is located the timing marks on the timing bell, okay? Okay, this one is on a 2013 Chevrolet Cruze LS with a 1.8 liter engine. Replace the timing bell. Okay, no more things. We go straight to see the video. Okay, thanks for watching my videos. Put a like it and subscribe my channel. Thanks. Okay, we started. This was the nice sedan, 5 doors, with automatic transmission. It's nice interior. They look very nice. They got a system, the audio system. They got a AC. Look like elegant. Okay, this is the engine with the Ecotec. Okay, we started. This one is a 2013 Chevrolet Cruze LS with a 1.8 liter engine, and this day we started share to the timing bell marks. So we replace the timing bell, but the most important thing I want to show you the timing bell marks in this card. Okay, so we started remove first the I will start a little bit review. Okay, this is the engine. This is the injectors and the manifold intake. The throttle body is on the manifold intake on the lower size. This is the airflow mass sensor. This is the manifold exhaust, and they got a thermostat, and they got the ECM and the battery. Okay, this is the little bit review. Okay, we'll continue. We started take the part. Okay, the first thing we take the cover. They got a one arrow with the put the screwdriver and pick it up, and this is the pack coil. Okay, we remove the pack coil. We use it TS. This is the torque tank, I think so. We take the 2 bolts. Okay, and we use it screwdriver for pick it up little bit on the back side and little bit on the front size. Okay, it's not too much, just to keep loose it and the bone and they put the hand on the middle and pull out. Okay, put the hand in the middle and then pull out. Okay, this is the pack coil, and then we use the 5A deep socket for remove the spark plugs. Okay, the 4 spark plugs. This is the 4-cylinder engine. We take the spark plugs, and then we started to remove the air breather. For remove the air breather, we use the screwdriver, the flat screwdriver. For they got the air breather clamps. They got the clamp goes to the throttle body. Okay, so we use the flat screwdriver, and we use the clamp on the close to the throttle body, and plug it the air mass flow sensor, and then we pull whole air breather. We in the front side we pick it up first, okay? Pick it up, and then we take the hose out, okay? Well, we got more room for work, and next step is put the jack on the jack stem on the car and put a little bit jack on the oil paint for take the motor in the place, and we remove the motor mountings, okay? They got a motor mountings and they got a motor mountings bracket. Okay, we use I think the socket number 15 for remove the motor mountings. Okay, we take the motor mountings out. They got 3 bolts on the plate, 3 bolts on the frame, and 3 bolts on the motor. Okay, we take the bolts. Okay. Okay, right now the motor mount is off. Sorry, we take the motor mounters off. The next step is the motor mounters bracket is bolted off on the monoblock. Okay, we use another deep socket, I think a 15 millimeters deep socket for remove the bracket was bolted off the monoblock. Okay, they got 3 volts. Okay, we remove the 3 bolts, and then we are take off the bracket. Goes okay. It's outside. You seen? I want to show you 3 bolts. Okay, they got 3. 1 long bolts go straight to the monoblock. 2, 3 bolts. Okay, the motor is on the place because they got jack on the old paint. It's just for keep on place. Okay, right now we got plenty room for remove the cover. Okay, I want to show you the cover, the plastic cover for the timing. For remove this plastic cover, we are take it 3 bolts for the torque or start socket E10. Okay, we start removing. Okay, this is 1 bolt. We use the start socket. We take another. Okay, and then we got 1 more on the left side. Okay, the plastic cover is out. Okay, after that you can see the timing belt and the 2 variable timing sprockets or variable timing gears. Okay, they got another mirror cover, plastic mirror cover. We take this plastic mirror cover out, and we started take the bulb cover out too, because this particular car needs to be put on timing the cams, the variable timing gear put on timing, and the crankshaft sprocket put on timing, and then we put the timing belt. So the marks is on the, for this particular thing we use that special tools, order for this car for putting the cam and then the sprocket. Okay, we remove the mirror cover. It's just it's not bolted off. It's just a handle. They got a one clamp on the right side and the left side too. And we use the multi-point 3/4 socket for putting that belt tensioner for removing the accessory belt. Okay, it's under the water pump. Exactly, they got room for putting it on 3/4 multi-point socket and loose it for the left side and for remove the belt. Okay, this is the middle plastic cover. We pull it out because it's just clamps, two plastic clamps on each side, the left and the right side. We take off. Okay, after takeoff, we are ready to remove the accessory belt. We put the tools, multi-point 3/4 socket for the brake bar, and move it to the left side, and then pull it the accessory belt. Okay. Right now, we started remove the accessory belt. Okay, we put the multi-point 3/4 socket on the tensioner, pull it, and we move it the left side, and then we keep loose the belt for pull it with the alternator or water pump. Okay, this is the accessory belt out, and then we got lower side cover. For take off this lower side cover, we need to be take off the tensioner pulley and the crankshaft pulley. Okay, we already pull it for remove the timing belt, and then I will show you when I put it back. Okay, another thing is for check the timings on the cams, exhaust cams and intake cam. It needs to be removed the valve cover, because the BBT sprockets and the camshaft is adjustable both, because it's not the key on the cam with the BBT sprocket or variable timing sprocket, variable timing gear, whatever. No, this is in this particular car it's not a made a key on the cam. Is what it needs to be put it real good on timing, because it needs to be adjust the cam, the variable timing the sprocket, and the timing and the crankshaft timing. Sure. Okay, but first I want to show you in the zoom. Let me take the valve cover off first. Okay, they got some screws or bolts. We use the E10 torque socket for removing. Okay, we started to remove the valve cover. The first thing we remove the PVC valve hose, and then we remove or we loosen the valve cover bolts, and then we take off. Okay, we remove it with the bolts in the place. Okay, this particular car, they got the PVC valve insert on the valve cover. Okay, when I turn it, the valve cover, I want to show you. Okay, this is the gasket, and this one is located the PVC valve here. This is the PVC valve. Okay. Okay. We continue with show you the times. Okay, I advanced a little bit the video for don't make too long. I want to show the more important thing. I put it back on time. Okay, look, this is important thing. The two cams, it needs to be stay on place. For that, we use the tool. I buy the tool. This is the sprocket. Goes to the crankshaft. This crankshaft is not cam. It's crankshaft sprocket. This go here in the lower side in the crankshaft. Okay, they got a mark in the housing. They got an arrow. This arrow needs to be gonna even with the mark on the sprocket. They got a blue mark. Okay, another thing, this one they got a key. Okay, you seen it, the sprocket on the crankshaft, they got a key. This was not matter, it's just a one position. So you move it, find the key, go in the place, that's it. Only you need to be turned. I put the marks in the sprocket for the housing. Put the marks. Okay, I will show you in the future exactly where it's located. Okay, the cams, they got a original mark, come to the manufacturer. Look at this one, they put in the place. But this one exactly when you put the tool on the back side. Okay, this tool goes on the groovy on the cam. This fitting exactly on the place. Okay. So the two manufacturer marks, and the important thing is the two loads on the cam stay opposite, because the cylinder number 1 is still on compression and the number 4 is still on translate. So the two valves be open on the number 4, on the number 1 the two valves was closed compression time. Okay, right now we are ready to put it back, the BBT sprockets or BBT gear or timing belt or variable timing sprocket. Okay, they got two seals on the cam. They got one plastic inside, which is the oil goes to the motor, goes to the sprocket, BBT sprocket, variable timing sprocket. Okay, look, this important thing. When you put this on the place, it's not key. They wanna turn using it. They turn of any place. That's what an important thing. Put on timing. The cam is on timing right now. The crankshaft is on timing. Okay, another thing is put on timing. The variable timing sprocket. Okay, they got a one cover, one plug for the oil, and then we got the bolt inside. Okay. We put the bolt, but we can tie it. Okay, we put another sprocket, another variable timing sprocket on that place. Same thing, another one. This is the exhaust, another is the intake. And we take the plug out, the oil plug out. Okay, but I want to show you, they got two marks. One using these two yellow. Okay, one is a point and the gears. These marks needs to be face to face, exactly one mark watch another mark in horizontal place. I got the tools, but the surprise is they sent me for another kind of engine. Okay, I got a motor on the way, it needs to be finished. Okay, but the marks needs to be stay face one mark to the another mark needs to be see front, exactly front. I want to show you in a minute. Okay, the cam is on place. They got tool in the back size. Okay, it's not matter. The cylinder number 4 is on translate. The cylinder number 1 is on compression. Important thing is you see the low loss of the cam, and this one's go outside. Okay, opposite. And this is the original marks or manufacturing marks. You check it, needs to be in place. Okay, the cam is on time right now. Okay, the next step is put on timing the two variable timing sprocket or variable timing gear. Okay. Okay. Look, the variable timing gear is tied right now with the two marks. Watch what front, watch one another one. Okay, you these 2 points to yellow point is exactly one front to the another one. Exactly. You can confuse because if you put a one teeth, look at that, they don't go exactly. Okay, it's exactly one watch another one. Okay, in this point, tight the BBT sprocket or the variable timing sprocket. You tight, and then go underneath for see the marks on the crankshaft. The crankshaft, they got a sprocket. This one they got a key. It's made for the key. It's just a one position. Okay, you see this blue mark goes to the arrow on the lower side, on the aluminum part. Okay, you see it? This one, the blue mark with the arrow in the housing. Okay, and this place is the motor was synchronized. Okay, in these 4-point positions ready on the place, you put the timing belt and use the tensioner for tight it. The motor is synchronized. Okay, we repeat again. The BBT, the variable timing sprocket, the two marks, watch one another one, front. Okay, and the cams, they put the tools on the back side of the cams, and the cylinder number 4 on translate, the cylinder number 1 on compression. The two levels was in each side, outside. Okay, if you want another thing, you check it, the manufacturing marks stay on the place, and the tools on the back side, the cam is on the place. In this position, tight the variable timing sprocket, both variable timing sprocket tight, on the lower side. Okay, the motor running perfect. We put all back together. It's running perfect. Okay, my friend, this is what I want to show you exactly what is the time for the motor 2013 Chevrolet Cruze LS. Thanks for watching my videos.